Hello students, this is Radheshyam Yadav. Today I am going to solve two questions on cylinder, that is volume, surface area and cut surface area. So the first question is, find the volume, curved surface area and the total surface area of a cylinder with diameter of base 7 cm and height 40 cm. So in the first question we have been given given diameter of the base, diameter of the base equals to 7 centimeter. So radius small r will become d by 2, that is 7 by 2 centimeter, and height h of the cylinder, height h equals to 40 centimeter. Now we have to find out the volume of the cylinder. So we will use the formula, that is volume of cylinder equals to pi r square h. Now I will put the values. 22 by 7 pi r square is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into height is 40 centimeter. So now we will solve it. 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 2 1 ja 10, 7 1 ja 7. So we are getting 22 into 70, that equals to 0, 7 2 ja 14, 7 2 ja 14 plus 1, 1540 centimeter cube. Now the volume of the cylinder, by using the formula pi r square h, comes out to be 1540 centimeter cube. Let me repeat in Hindi. Find the volume, curved surface area and the total surface area of a cylinder with diameter base 7 cm और हाइट 40 cm. तो क्वेश्चन में पूछ रहा है कि डायमीटर जो है सिलेंडर का वो 7 सेंटीमीटर है, रेडियस क्या हो जाएगी 7/2, डायमीटर का आधा, तो 7/2 सेंटीमीटर, जो उसकी हाइट है, ऊंचाई है, वो 40 सेंटीमीटर है. तो जो वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर का फार्मूला होता है वो है पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. पाई की वैल्यू मैंने पुट किया है 22/7 इंटू आर इज 7/2 इंटू 7/2 इंटू 40. सो आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस वी विल गेट 22 इंटू 70 आर, हमको मिलेगा 1540 centimeter cube is the volume of the cylinder. Now we will see the curved surface area. The second part is curved surface area. Surface area of cylinder. The formula is 2 pi RH. Now we will put the value, that is 2 into 22/7 into 7/2 is the radius and height is 40. So this 2 and this 2 cancels, 7 7 cancel. So we get 22 into 40 that means 0, 4 2 ja 8 and 4 2 ja 8. 880 centimeter square. It is the curved surface area of the cylinder. Now third part is total surface area of cylinder. Total surface area of cylinder, and the formula is 2 pi r h plus r. That means 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2, 40 plus 7 by 2. So we will get 2 से 2 cancels, 7 cancels 7, so 22 into 42, 80, 87 by 2. That is 22 into 87 by 2. So this is 11. So total we will get 11 7 ja 77, 11 8 ja 88, 88 plus 7, 88 plus 7, 95. So this comes out to be total surface area is 957 centimeter square. So this is in this way we have find out the volume of the cylinder, curved surface area of the cylinder, and total surface area of cylinder. So this way we can solve the any given problem regarding volume, curved surface area and total surface area of a cylinder by applying the formulas. Now I will solve the question number 2. Solution for question number 2. If the capacity of a cylindrical tank is 1848, means 1848 meter cube, and diameter of its base is 14 meter. Diameter of its base is 14 meter. Then find the depth of the tank. So depth of the tank means we have to find out the height of the tank. Volume is given. Volume is of what? Cylinder. So we know the formula of cylinder is now given volume of cylinder, that is 1848 meter cube, and base diameter of cylinder, base diameter of cylinder D equals to cylinder D equals to 14 meter. So radius R will become D by 2, that is 14 by 2 equals to 7 meter. Now to know the height, let the height of cylinder be h. Now we have to find out the height of the cylinder. So height of cylinder equals to h, and this we have to find out. So I will apply the formula, that is volume of cylinder, volume equals to 2 pi RH. So volume is given to us is 1848 equals to 2, no sorry, it is volume of cylinder is pi square RH, pi R square H. Volume of the cylinder is pi R square H. So here pi is 22 by 7 into R square is 7 into 7 and H we have to find out. Now the 7 cancels with 7. So in next step I will write 22 into 7 into H R. Therefore H will be equals to 1848 upon 22 into 7. Now we will cut the given 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2 11, 2 9 ja 18, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8. So this now directly 11 8 ja 88 and 88 and 4, 11 4 ja 44, 11 4 ja 44. Now this can be cut with 7, that is 12 7 ja 84. So our height comes out to be 12 meter. So answer is height H equals of the cylinder is 12 meter. So in this way we can solve the problem. If the volume is given, then we will use the formula, that is pi r square h, where h is the height of the cylinder and diameter is d, so we will convert into radius. 14 by 2 means diameter by 2 is 14 by 2 7 meter. So in this way we will apply the formula, that pi r square h 1848 into, and after solving this we get the height of the cylinder is 12 meter. So if the volume is given and we have to find out the height and radius is also given, then this way we can solve the formula. Now please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share it. Thank you.